golf. What a pity. Well, good thing I don't play golf. Hey folks, Drum here. As you probably figured out by now, there's no gaming video this week. Instead I'm making this vlog of sorts. Oh yeah. Walls. Nature's wind blocks. Anyway, reason for this is my PlayStation's being stubborn, and what I tried to record last night on my PC was very buggy. Can't help that. Anyway, also I'm trying to play other games for, well, PlayStation and PC, mainly because I'm starting to get bored of Final Fantasy 14. Or at least until Stormblood was released. Then I should get back into it, have some nice new videos and so on and so forth. Who knows? I might also make a couple more of these vlogs if they're taken well. One day I might even show my ugly mug. Very doubtful though, would probably scare folk off. And as you can tell, I'm not very good at making these. I'm not bad. I made a script. And that's me for now, so grim out after a wee bit of a view. And wind all over the place, most likely. Okay, I'm gone. See yous.